Well, hello students, welcome to this class with me, Mr. Alfie. And this is Mathematics Specialist class.
Well, hello there. Welcome to international class in Darmado High School. I am Mr. Alfie, and I'll be your mathematics specialist teacher in this semester. The first chapter that we're going to learn about in Mathematics Specialist is about surface area and the volume of three-dimensional shape. In this particular video, we're going to learn about how to find the total surface of a three-dimensional shape. The surface of a three-dimensional shape is actually the total area of its net. So before we find the surface area of a three-dimensional shape, we have to figure out what the net that constructs the three-dimensional shape. So let's check this video out.
Now, let's talk about the nets of some prisms. For example, this is a cube. It's actually a rectangular prism. This is the net for rectangular prism. This prism constructed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square. And next, this is the triangular prism. It's constructed by 2 triangles and 1, 2, 3 rectangular. How about the cylinders? This is the cylinder and this is the net of the cylinder. There are 2 circles and 1 rectangular that actually construct the cylinder. This is the height, and actually this side is the perimeter of the circle. How about the pyramid? Let's say this is rectangular pyramid and this is the net of rectangular pyramid. This is the base and this is also the base. Actually, the rectangular pyramid constructed by 1 rectangular and 4 triangles. Let's say this line is actually this line. How about cone? This is the base of the cone and this is the net of the cone. It's constructed by 1 circle and 1 curvy plane. Let's say this is the L. This is the L. So the area of circles is pi r square. So the curved surface is pi r l. So the surface of the cone is actually pi r l plus pi r square. And how about sphere? Sphere with r radius, the formula of surface area is actually 4 pi r square. And about hemisphere, this is dr. The formula of surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now let's jump to the example. Find the surface area of the solid body's disk. This is hemisphere and the radius is 20 centimeter. We know that the formula of surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. We have known that the r is 20. So the surface area equal to 3 times pi times 20 square. So we got that the surface area is actually 3,770 centimeters square. It's quite easy. Next example. Find the surface area of triangular prism of height 12 centimeter. The base of the prism is an isosceles triangle below. So this is isosceles triangle. It means each and every side of this triangle is equal. It's 10 centimeter. So the height is actually 12 centimeter. We need to make a sketch. Like this is the height. Okay, so the height actually 12 centimeters. So in order to find the surface area of this triangular prism, we need to figure out the net, and this is the net. This is 10 centimeter from the triangle, and this side is 12 centimeter from the height. So this net of triangular rectangular, let's break it down. Let's discuss about the triangle first. This triangle is actually from this triangle. We know that this is a isosceles triangle, which means each side is 10. So in order to find the area of this triangle, we have to know the heights. Let's say the height is A. So this is 5 because this is a half of this side. So in order to find A, we use Pythagoras theorem, which means A equal to square root of 10 square minus 5 square equal to 8.7 centimeter. You can check this number by your calculator. And then we can find the surface area of the triangle prism. Surface area equal to area of the triangles. Actually, there are two triangles, this one and this one, plus the area of the rectangles. There are 3 rectangles, 1, 2, and 3. So the surface area equal to 2 times the area of the triangle, 10 times 8.7 per 2. Base times the height is 8.7, the height, per 2. Plus 3 multiplied by the area of rectangles, 10 times 12 from this side multiplied with this side. So using your calculator, you'll find the number that surface area equal to 447 centimeter square. Next example, find volume of a cube that has same surface area as a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. We have learned about the volume at the previous video. Now we're going to connect the volume with the surface in this example. So from the example, we know that surface area of cube equal to surface area of the sphere. So surface area of the cubes is actually equal to 4 times pi r square, because this is the formula for surface area of sphere. So we know that the radius actually equals for 7 centimeter. So surface area of a cube equal to 4 times pi times 7 square. So you'll find that the surface area of a cube is 616. That the surface area of the cube. The problem asks the volume of the cube. So we know that the surface area of the cube is 616. So this is the net for cube. Actually, cube is constructed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Constructed by 6 square. Let's say the side of the square is A. So the area of one square is actually equal to A square. Since there are 6 square and each square equal to A square, so surface area of a cube equal to 6 times A square. Because there is 6 square and each square equal to A square. We're going to find the value of A square, the value of the sides of a cube. So we know that surface area of a cube is 616. So 616 equal to 6A square. By calculator, you can find that A equal to 10.1 centimeter. So this is the cube. The side is 10.1 centimeter. Since we have known the value of the side, we can find the value of cube, which means equal to the side cube, or A cube, since A is the side. So the volume of cube equal to 10.1 cube. So The volume of cube actually 1030.3 centimeter cube.